I'm Dr. Tiffany Libby, a board-certified dermatologist, and today I'm thrilled to introduce a game changer in eye care. Whether you're beginning to notice subtle lines or managing deeper wrinkles, the Glo Skin Beauty BioRenew EGF Eye Cream is your ally in achieving younger-looking eyes. Many of you ask what I look for in a product in the eye area. It's simple: effectiveness, gentleness, and targeted action. This cream checks all those boxes. It combines vegan growth factors with a ceramide-peptide complex to target puffiness and dark circles, helping to strengthen and hydrate skin. I want to talk to you about a revolutionary product that has impressed me with its formulation and its results: the Glo Skin Beauty BioRenew EGF Neck Cream. Unlike regular facial creams, the BioRenew EGF Neck Cream is specifically formulated to address the unique skin concerns of the neck and chest. This cream combines EGF with strengthening lipids and hydrating hyaluronic acid, providing a robust treatment to promote firmer, smoother, and more hydrated skin.